Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix device limit reach on Prime Video. If you see the device limit has been reached message on Amazon Prime Video, here's how to fix it quickly and efficiently. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app or go to the website and log in with the account experiencing the issue. Navigate to the account section and scroll down to devices. Here, you see a full list of all devices currently signed into your Prime Video account. Identify any device you no longer use and select Deregister to free up a slot, ensuring your current device can access content. Keep in mind that devices limits vary by plan. The Mobile Edition or Prime Lite allows one device at a time, while a full Amazon Prime subscription supports up to 5 devices. After deregistering unused devices, you may need to refresh the app or sign out and backend or your active device to restore full access. This simple step ensures uninterrupted streaming across your devices and helps manage your account efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.